The Contact section of iLand Success Center allows you the ability to view and manage roles for existing users, create new users, and delete users who no longer need to interact with iLand. Click on Contacts on the left-hand navigation bar to view the list of your current contacts. From here, you can see the designation for each. Permissions within the iLand Success Center are built around three main categories: admin, billing, and technical. The matrix on the screen provides a breakdown of accessibility and the actions that can be performed by each user role. You are able to click into a specific contact to view their details. If needed, you can click Edit to adjust. A pop-up wizard will allow you to update the user information, user address, and permissions. From the previous matrix, you have an idea of what each permission entails, but all you must do is click on the toggle for the permissions that you would like to provide for the contact. Specific notes for the billing contact designation: there are three options to choose from. Contact Only provides access to billing information, but they do not receive invoices. Secondary Contact means that they will be copied in the invoicing emails, and then Primary Contact makes them the primary recipient of all invoices. If one role requires another role to be selected, the wizard will automatically activate both for you. If you are prompted to fill out a username, you are able to create one on your own or allow the system to generate one for you. Please note that in addition to the main permissions, this wizard will allow you to create a login for the user to have access to this Success Center site, as well as the Secure Cloud Console. For the console, a role must be specified from the pre-existing roles. If you have any questions on these role types, you can review our Identity Access Management Guide via the link on the screen. For this video, I will designate the technical permissions and then click Finish to save. You can now see that there is a green check next to Technical for this user. Should you need to delete a user, you would simply click Delete within the user details. Click back into the Contact section, and you can see the green check is reflected here as well. To add contacts to your account, you can select New Contact and a new wizard will pop up. Fill out the required user information fields. Click Next to get to the required user address fields. And then lastly, specify the permissions level that the user will require. Click Finish to save, and you're all set. Managing contacts on your iLand account is super quick and easy with our Success Center.